Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hello, hey, welcome. All right, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell while you're at it. But for today's video, you guys, I am doing a Halloween Euphoria look. At least that's what I'm gonna call it because I didn't really know what I was doing. I was just doing something. So it's a Halloween Euphoria look. I hope you guys like it, but starting off, you gotta prime your eyes with concealer or with the eyeshadow primer. That works too. Okay, so as you see, I already have one eye done, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my Maybelline Eye Studio black eyeliner, and I'm going to carve out the shape on my other eye. I'm gonna lightly do it because I don't want to, it's black eyeliner, so I don't want to mess up. So I'm gonna lightly carve out the shape, and then I'm gonna go in and deepen it up. Also, I am going to be using the eyeliner as a base because I'm gonna be applying black eyeshadow. Alright, so now that I done created the shape with the eyeliner and used it as a base, I'm going to take the Glamlite paint palette and I'm going to use the colors orange and black, and I'm taking the black and patting it down over the eyeliner, and then I'm going to go in with the orange and pat it down on the open space, and I'm going to blend it in with the black. Okay, so this next step is not required because I'm going to be adding crystals to my eyes, so it doesn't really matter. But I just wanted to clean up the gel eyeliner a little bit, so I went in with my NYX Liquid Liner and I just went over that. I also applied it too because I'm going to be applying lashes later, so. Alright, so moving on to the fun part, it's time to add the diamonds, crystals, rhinestones, whatever you want to call them, to the face. So in order to make my diamond stick, I'm using the NYX Glitter Primer. You can use liquid eyelash glue to make them stick, which I feel like works a lot better because it won't smudge your eyeshadow or eyeliner. But I didn't have that on hand, so the primer is what we're going to work with. And as far as the crystals, I got them off of Amazon. It came in a little variety pack, so it has small ones, medium ones, and large ones. And I'm just going to use a mixture of them. Okay, so moving on to the rest of the face for now. We'll come back to the eyes later. I did have some fallout with the eyeshadow, so I'm just taking some makeup remover and wiping it off before I apply my primer. So as far as primer goes, for today I'm using the E.L.F. Pourless Putty Primer. And for foundation, of course, I'm using my Maybelline Fit ME Foundation, and I use the shade 335, I believe. Okay, so moving on to concealer and contour. To conceal, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. And for contour, I'm going to use I'm doing a cream contour, so I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Foundation Stick in the shade Cocoa. Okay, so coming back to the eyes, I'm going to go back in with that orange shade from the palette and apply it underneath my eyes. I did add a black eyeliner in my waterline. I didn't get it on camera though, but I will leave the name of the eyeliner in the description box below. And I am applying glitter underneath my eyes, so I'm going back in with the primer and applying that. And then as far as the glitter, I got it off of Amazon, but it's like this cute orange shimmer shade. So now that I'm done adding the diamonds and the glitter, I'm going to go ahead and set my face using the Morphe Setting Spray. And then I'm going to go on with my Anastasia and Mercier highlighter and highlight my face. Okay, and for the lips, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the shade Uninvited and apply that. And then I'm gonna go back in with that glitter primer and apply it because I gotta add some diamonds to my lips too. Alright, so the look is complete. I'm just going to set it again with the Morphe spray. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you liked the Halloween look. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.